Intense music plays softly in the background. In the midst of California's wildfires, a cautionary tale unfolds, a reminder of the critical responsibility that comes with piloting a drone. The skies, often seen as a vast playground for drone enthusiasts, can quickly turn into a dangerous zone when misused. The beauty of capturing aerial footage can never outweigh the potential risks involved, especially during such catastrophic events. While these drones can capture breathtaking images, it's crucial to understand the dangers of flying in unauthorized airspace, especially during disasters. Unauthorized drone flights can interfere with emergency operations, putting both the drone and the emergency responders at risk. The allure of capturing dramatic footage should never cloud the judgment of a responsible pilot. Yesterday, one reckless pilot faced severe consequences when his DJI drone collided with a Super Scoop airplane, an essential tool in combating wildfires. This collision not only damaged the aircraft, but also jeopardized the lives of the crew on board. The Super Scoop airplane, designed to drop large quantities of water on raging fires, is a critical asset in firefighting efforts. This incident grounded the aircraft, delaying firefighting efforts and putting lives at risk. Every second counts in a wildfire, and the delay caused by this collision could have led to more extensive damage and loss of life. The grounded airplane meant that firefighters had to wait for another aircraft to arrive, losing precious time in their battle against the flames. When you take to the skies, you are responsible for more than just your drone. You pose a risk to first responders and the communities they protect. The presence of a drone can distract emergency personnel, diverting their attention from critical tasks. In the chaos of a wildfire, every distraction can have dire consequences. The FAA has specific regulations prohibiting drone flights in controlled airspace, especially in times of emergency. These regulations are in place to ensure the safety of all airspace users and to facilitate the smooth operation of emergency services. Ignoring these rules is not just irresponsible, it's illegal. Ignoring these regulations can lead to serious legal repercussions, including fines and criminal charges. The legal system takes these violations seriously, as they can have far-reaching consequences. A single reckless act can lead to a cascade of legal troubles, tarnishing the reputation of the drone community as a whole. The pilot involved in this incident now faces an FBI investigation, highlighting the stark reality that carelessness can lead to dire situations. The investigation will likely uncover the extent of the pilot's negligence and the impact of his actions on the firefighting efforts. This serves as a sobering reminder of the importance of adhering to regulations. As drone enthusiasts and racers, it's our duty to promote safety and adhere to regulations. We must lead by example, showing that the drone community values responsibility and safety above all else. By doing so, we can ensure that our passion for flying does not come at the expense of public safety. Always check the local airspace before takeoff, and respect the rules that keep everyone safe. Pre-flight checks should include a thorough review of airspace restrictions and any temporary flight restrictions in place. This simple step can prevent accidents and ensure that your flight is both enjoyable and safe. Let's not let the actions of one reckless individual tarnish our passion for flying. The drone community is built on a foundation of innovation, creativity, and responsibility. We must work together to uphold these values and to educate others about the importance of safe flying practices. Together, we can enjoy the skies responsibly and ensure that we prioritize safety, especially during times of crisis. By fostering a culture of safety and responsibility, we can prevent incidents like this from happening in the future. Let's make the skies a safer place for everyone. Join us at Drone Racers Warehouse for education, safety tips, and lessons on how to become a responsible pilot. Our workshops are designed to equip you with the knowledge and skills needed to fly safely and responsibly. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or a newcomer, there's always something new to learn. Your safety and the safety of others depend on it. Remember, every flight is an opportunity to demonstrate the best practices of drone piloting. Let's make each flight count.